transformer. As we can see, first of all, contains introduction, structure of transformer, type, classification, application, and conclusion. We can see one by one. Introduction. What is transformer? It is a device that changes the AC electrical power at one voltage level into a AC electrical power at another voltage level through an action of magnetic field without changing its frequency. Okay? It can be either step up or it can be either step down. Then there are two or more stationary electrical circuits that are coupled magnetically. Transformer provides much needed capacity of changing the voltage and current level easily. It is a static machine. They are used to step up generating voltage to the appropriate voltage level for the transformer. You can see next slide. Structure of transformer. This is the structure of transformer which contains iron core, primary winding, secondary winding. There are two types of iron core construction: core type iron core construction and shell type iron core construction. Next slide. These are shell type of iron core construction, and this is the core type iron core construction. How transformer working? The transformer basic concept of transformer is transfer electrical power from one circuit to another circuit by the meaning of magnetic flux. Here the basic construction, that is laminated soft iron core, then input voltage. As we input the voltage, there is a primary coil. This is output voltage and secondary coil. Next slide. Primary coil. The incoming voltage, VP voltage across primary coil is connected across the coil. Secondary coil. It provides the output voltage VS, voltage across the secondary coil to the external circuit. Magnetic iron core links the two coils magnetically. We can see the next slide. This is the laminated soft iron core. This is primary coil. This is secondary coil. Laminated iron core is coupled to the magnetic flux with secondary and primary coil. Transformer is a static device which helps the transformation of electric power one circuit to the electric power from a same frequency to the another circuit. The voltage can be raised or lowered with the circuit, but with the proportional increases or decreases in current. Main principle of the operation of the transformer is mutual induction between two circuits, which is linked by a common magnetic flux. Basic transformer consists of two coils that are electrically separated and inductive, but are magnetically linked through a path of reactance. Two types of transformer. That is first one, step-up transformer. As we can see, the primary winding of this step-up transformer, the number of conductors is lesser than the number of secondary conductors. The voltage output is voltage, that is lower, and we can give the output at secondary coil is 220 volt. As the voltage increases, the current is decreases. Here is the current, that is 10 ampere. This is the current of secondary winding. It is 5 ampere. The power transmitted, as a definition, power transmitted, the same power transmitted, the power of that primary winding is 1 coils, the number of turns on primary winding and secondary winding has a small number of conductors. As we input the 1000 volt and 2 ampere to the primary winding, and we use the 200 volt and 10 ampere current. Next slide. Transformer classification. In terms of number of winding, number of conventional transformer which has 2 windings, auto transformer which has more winding, auto transformer more than 2 windings. In the terms of number of phases, single phase transformer and 3 phase transformer, depending upon the voltage level at which the windings are operating. Number 1 step-up transformer, that is primary winding is lower, as we can see. Previous slide, real winding and step-down transformer, primary winding is high voltage HV windings. Next slide. Application. In power transmission and electronics, to minimize the energy losses due to the voltage drop in the transmitting the electric over a long distance, they couple signal between electronic stages. They must load with an internal resistance so that there is maximum power transfer. It can be isolated to electrically. It can increase or decrease the values of capacitor and the inductors or the resistors in a AC circuit. Also, PTA used to power system and in industry. It can be used to prevent DC from passing from one circuit to the another. Conclusion. The method could not possibly used for the transfer of electricity across a country via power lines. The circuit was not supplying the most efficient or maximum efficiency due to the core losses not equally to the copper losses. So, if you increase the voltage out, then the current out must be decreases. If you step up the voltage so that your voltage input is double the voltage input. Voltage output is double to the input. Thank you. Any questions?